Leo, where are you going? Are you leaving me? Bye. Come on. Are you coming back? What happened to your brother? Go help brother. Good job. Give him bear, please. Where's brother's bear? Okay, can you give it to brother? Give it to brother, please. Good job. Where are you going, Leo? Little Leo.
Hey, Leo.
Come back, boo. You're back. Yes, you are. You like your bear book?
I don't want my bear book.
Are you tired? Oh, you are tired. Are you taking a nap? Savannah, give bear back to your brother, please. You tired? You want to say hi? Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Oops. Come on, up. You want to help? You want to help? No. Hi.